Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog, and this week I've been testing out the Alfred Bluetooth Smart Lock. The model I installed was the Alfred DB1A. Also installed the Alfred Connect Bridge so that I could access this Bluetooth lock via Wi-Fi. In order to use the Alfred Smart Lock on its own, you'll need to have Bluetooth connected, and anytime that you walk up to the lock, you just tap the screen and it will open. There's also a keyhole in here, so if you like to use keys or you want to use keys as a backup, you can do that. Installed quite a few smart locks in my home, and I found installing the Alfred smart lock to be quite easy. My door has seen better days, so it has a few issues with the door jamb and previous locks that had been installed before mine. So anyway, when I was picking through the different faceplates and stuff like that, you can see that my door is chiseled out quite a bit, but that's okay. It didn't interfere with the lock. So you start by installing the deadbolt itself. So here's just a shot of the deadbolt as I placed it in the hole, and then you thread the panel, the front panel, through the deadbolt, and you attach it to the other side, or you pull it through this base plate and you put it through the other side. Once it's lined up, I highly recommend giving your deadbolt a turn just to ensure that it's actually lined up and ready to work. And then you can install and plug in the power. The instructions covered the install process very well. So once you have connected your base plate to the back plate and then you've threaded it through, then you're ready to plug it into where the batteries are. It just mounts on the the faceplate with a couple of screws, and then once you're all plugged in, you're ready to put your batteries in, and once that's done, then you're ready to use your lock. Also installed the Alfred Connect bridge. That's the Wi-Fi bridge, and to install that, all you have to do is plug it into an outlet near your lock and keep it within range. And once it's plugged in, you can add it via the app, and you can use Wi-Fi and your smart home devices like Google Home with your lock. Everything that you need to use your Alfred Smart Lock is in the app. So all of the settings and everything are within the app. As you can see here, I have the front door lock showing up. It's connected to my home network. And the Alfred Connect device is also connected to my home network. And I'm just assigning the front door lock to it. It's within the app that you'll see the different, in your inbox actually, you'll see the different notices or notifications that occur when you use your lock. So if somebody has opened the door with their PIN code, you'll see it there. If the lock has malfunctioned and can't lock, you'll see it there too. One of the great things about Alfred Smart Lock is how you can assign PIN codes to different people, or you can give them guest access. So you can just assign a PIN code that would work temporarily. You can assign a date to the PIN code. You can assign just like a code for your husband or something like that, like I did, or for your kids, and then you'll always know who's opening the door. The lock easily integrates with Google Home thanks to the Alfred Connect bridge. Here's what it sounds like when you open the door. Unlock my front door.
Can I have your PIN? Okay, unlocking front door.
There's a lot I really like about the Alfred Smart Lock. I love the style. The design is very sleek. From far away, you can't even tell that that's a smart lock. I love the key entry, so there's an additional keyhole if you want to use the included set of keys. There's 2 keys. I also really like how there's a one-touch entry, so if you come within range and you have it set up, you can actually just tap the screen and it'll open for you without entering a PIN code. The Alfred Smart Lock is easy to use, it's easy to set up, and it has great style. It looks fantastic on the door. You can see my full review of the Alfred Smart Lock at Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.